Hello, my name is Luba Small. I am an immigration attorney, and today I will tell you about the process of adjustment of status for a spouse, a wife, or husband of a U.S. citizen. This is one of the cases that I handle very often, and I will briefly describe what is the process and what applications and the filing fees you need. So if you are a U.S. citizen husband or wife and your wife or husband is a foreign national and they're in the United States lawfully and they are eligible for adjustment of status, I will not be talking about this too much, but just make sure that they're eligible, then you can apply for the green card. The process is like this. You prepare all the applications, including an affidavit of support, and submit everything by mail to USCIS. I don't see point of separating the petition I-130 and filing it separately online, but that's an option that some people do. So the petitions and applications that you will need are the following. I-130, this is your petition as U.S. citizen spouse. I-130A, this is the supplement to your petition from your wife or husband who is a foreign national. Then I-485, this is application for green card from your wife or husband. I-765, this is application for work permit. I-131, application for travel document. The last two are optional, but I always recommend filing them together because currently, as of December 2023, a U.S. government does not require you to pay additional extra fee for these two applications. So you're basically filing three applications for the cost of one. So that's why you file I-485, I-765, and I-131 together. These are your foreign spouse's applications and signed by your spouse. Then in addition to application for green card, you will provide affidavit of support. This is immigration form I-864, and you sign it as a U.S. citizen petitioner. You become a sponsor and you will sponsor your wife or husband for green card, for residency. So the most difficulties and the most trouble that people experience, I see with this particular form, I-864, affidavit of support. And I have a few videos about that too. So in addition to all these forms, applications, affidavit of support, your foreign national spouse will also need to provide medical examination. I-693, and this is the application which will be completed not by you but by a medical doctor in their clinic, in the office. Sometimes they ask you to help them to complete the first page because it requires your information, your A number if you have it and such, but otherwise it's completed and signed by the doctor, and you have to submit it in a sealed envelope. As of now, December 2023, because the rules are constantly changing about the medical exam, so as of now, USCIS prefers and requests, but more like prefers, that you submit the medical exam with a whole bunch of applications that you're submitting. In the past, they would allow you to bring it to the interview, but now they just want you to submit it in advance with all the applications. And I also recommend my clients to do this because, first of all, they recently changed the rule. A medical exam doesn't have to be signed by a doctor within 60 days before submission, but it stays valid once submitted for 2 years. And most of the applications are adjudicated in this period of time. Many of them adjudicated even without the interview. So for this reason, yes, it's beneficial to submit the medical exam. So when they open your case, you have everything. And like I mentioned, focus on your affidavit of support. And for your wife's applications, I see a lot of issues sometimes with application for green card form I-485, because many foreign nationals, they are not so fluent in English and they don't really understand the questions in the section yes and no section of this application, and sometimes they just like tempted to answer no to some questions even if the answer is yes. So I would just have them working with the attorney who speaks the native language, or if you speak the language, or you can find somebody who can interpret for them and translate what this form is asking from them. And just an example, sometimes people forget to say yes to the question like, have you ever been denied a visa to the United States? Yeah, when in reality they were denied several times. Or they provide sometimes information only about their previous husband or wife, but not about like 2 or 3 husbands before that. So remember, you need to provide information about all prior marriages, all prior spouses. You need to provide information about all the children in this application. And just be careful with yes and no section. So I wish you good luck with this application package. If you have any questions or you need help, please contact me by email, or I have a Calendly app on my website, and you can schedule a consultation through my website. Thank you. Bye-bye.